And now over to President Donald Trump. He's taking a victory lap to the tune of $500 million. Now, to explain this, I need to take you back to last year when, in the midst of his presidential campaign, the then nominee was fighting a legal battle in Manhattan. New York Attorney General Letitia James took Trump to court over a pattern and practice of lying about his businesses. He lost that fraud case and was saddled with a mammoth fine. As of Thursday, he doesn't have to pay it. A New York appeals court sided with the president and reversed the judgment. But here is where things get complicated. This case isn't as simple as guilty or not guilty. In a split decision, 3 out of 5 opinions agreed on this basic point. The penalty didn't match the crime. The harm committed by businessman Donald Trump was not, quote, cataclysmic, according to these judges, and definitely not worth $500 million to the state. In short, they threw the book at him when he was ordered to pony up $464 million plus interest. Trump himself, while patrolling with D.C. police yesterday evening, reacted to the ruling.
I had a victory today. You know, they stole $550 million from me with a fake case, and it was overturned. They said this was a fake case. It's a terrible thing, but it's a nice victory, you know. I mean, it's not bad. You know, we all have our limits, but this was a terrible thing that done. It was a witch hunt.
To him, it probably feels like that with a 500 million pound weight off of his shoulders. But legally speaking, again, it's complicated. The guilty verdict against Trump and his business associates/sons, Don Jr. and Eric Trump, is still intact. These 3 are still barred from doing business in the Empire State for the next few years. But this is not the end to the saga. That part of the judgment is still being appealed by the president, and now it gets kicked up to the state Supreme Court.